In today's video, I will walk you through how to read CoinMarketCap charts. When you open a cryptocurrency chart on CoinMarketCap, start by looking at the main chart layout. The chart contains two primary lines and two different scales that display important information. At the bottom of the chart, you will find the horizontal axis. This shows the selected time frame, including hours, days, months, or years. On the left side of the chart, you will see the vertical axis for the asset price. This matches the green and red price line displayed on the chart. On the right side, you will see the market cap scale, which matches the blue market cap line. Above the chart, locate the interactive tabs that allow you to turn different data lines on or off. Select Price to view the green and red price line. This line shows how the coin's price has changed during the selected time frame. A green line means the price at the end of the time frame is higher than the starting point, while a red line means it is lower. Select Market Cap to view the blue line. This displays the total circulating value of the coin based on the price and circulating supply. At the bottom of the chart, check the volume bars. These gray vertical bars represent trading volume for each period. Taller bars indicate a higher amount of buying and selling activity during that time frame. To change the chart time frame, go to the top right corner of the chart section. Select from the available options depending on the period you want to view. Choose 1 day or 7 days to view short-term price movement. Select 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year to review longer market cycles. Choose All to view the complete history of the coin from the time it was listed on CoinMarketCap. For a more detailed chart view, locate the chart type controls above the graph. By default, CoinMarketCap displays a line chart. Select Line to view a simple price direction based on closing prices. To switch to a more advanced chart, select TradingView or Candlesticks. This changes the chart into a Japanese candlestick format. Each candle represents a specific time period. The thick body shows the opening and closing prices, while the thin lines or wicks show the highest and lowest prices reached during that period. Next to the time frame options, locate the scale settings. You can switch between linear and logarithmic scales. Linear is the default setting and measures changes using dollar amounts. For example, a move from $10 to $20 appears the same size as a move from $100 to $110. Logarithmic scale measures changes using percentage increases. A move from $10 to $20 represents a larger percentage change than a move from $100 to $110. When viewing the all-time frame for older cryptocurrencies, switch to Log to view the chart using percentage-based changes. This adjusts the display and allows the full price history to be viewed more clearly. Use these chart controls to switch between different views, timeframes, data lines, and scales while reviewing cryptocurrency charts on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.